Bro, eat this pepper, man. What you? Gradually.
No, wait 2 minutes. Now here, you start. There you go.
Guys, ready? I'm good. It's already messed up. That shit is messed up. That shit is messed up. Damn.
It's not scam. Don't worry.
Yeah, bro.
I'm coming for him.
This shit is hard, bro.
View.
Bro, that guy eat pepper, yeah? Oh, eat pepper. You're just going to kill yourself with pepper.
We good.
Yeah, we're good. Let's go. Let me see your energy. Take your time. Yo, bro, you just messing this whole shit up, man. You just messed this whole shit up. Like, you messed this whole shit up. I will play this game. This is the game I used to pay my school fees.
That was not food.
After Pepe, who keep that father? After Pepe, that father. Hey!
I know you can do this. You can do this. I didn't want picking. Man, I said, Chief, don't put the powder for this.
Let's see what you can do.
What is there? No chop anything.
Ben, reducing water. Ben, don't reduce the water. Make I hear. Drag now, make we see.
What do you mean this?
The moment you drag, wetin reduce. Omo, don't go. Nothing fit do. Go chop pepper tire today.
Chicken.
This one don't go work. This one don't be game with the play. We don't cash cruise. With the cash cruise, don't be game.